How to use Loox for Shopify Reviews. Loox tutorial for beginners. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to use Loox as one of the applications here on Shopify so that you will be able to incorporate your product reviews and photo reviews here on your Shopify online store. So first to begin, you can open your account to any browser that you have, and then on the left side panel of the screen, click on Apps. And then once this will pop up, just click on Apps and Settings. Once you're routed into this page, what you can do is click on Shopify App Store, this button here. When you click on it, you will be redirected to another page where these are all the applications that you can add into your Shopify store. So you can just search for Loox, and then there you have that option. You can click on the first box, that's Loox product reviews and photos. Then you can read its features and what it's about. So it allows you to grow your brand rather, and social proof your store. So they actually come with a subscription fee, but they offer 14-day free trial for this, so you don't have to worry. So you can test it out first before you get the application. So here you can click on Add App. And then you will be routed into your account in Shopify, and then just click on Install Application, this green button. And there you have it. You can see that it offers, or Loox offers you the different pricing, but you can start with beginner and then just click on try it for free. Then here you just need to click on agree. And then here you have it. You have now successfully installed your Loox. So what you can do is just click on continue. So you will fill out or set up your language, how your reviews would look like, whether it would be grid, a rows, or in columns, depending on what you like. And you can also set your brand color and your store color here as well. So that by the time that someone will review your product for, let's say, 5-star, that would be those colors that will be used. So here they will ask on how long will your customers will review your product. And here as well, you can offer discount into your customers once they review your product. And here there's also referral programs here. So here on this page, you will be setting up the discount for the product or for your online store. So for example, you will have $10, 10% discount, and you will have an advocate reward of 20 pesos. And you will have a maximum, or you will need to have a maximum purchase of 299. And here is as well an example coupon for your discount. That's how it will look like on your customer's screen. So once done, you can just click on continue. Just hit on continue. Here, this is how you will be able to view on how the referral program would look like into the account. So here we are all set with the account. What you can do is enter the admin, or you can import reviews if you already have reviews from your online store, existing reviews. So we'll just click on go to your account, And here you will be able to see, this is the page where you, or the dashboard rather, where you will be able to view the reviews of your product or in your online store. So here you'll be able to check the reviews on the dashboard, and you can also have the reviews as well that you offered to the customer directly. So here you can go to settings, and you will be routed into the reviews tab just right beside the dashboard. And here, when you collect reviews, you will be able to set on how many stars you want the review to be viewed or to be published into your online store, to make sure that only good reviews will be viewed into your account or into your shop. So here, review and notification enabled. And here is another thing, is you can review request timing. So once or after a customer has purchased, you can set a date where it automatically sends the customer to review the certain product that they purchased. So here you can set 7 days after purchase. And then here is a discount for photos or reviews. So you can set the same discount or you can have it a different one. So there's 15%. And here you can also set video reviews, where this actually can be used once you've upgraded to a growth plan. Here as well, under emails, you can click on request reviews. A lot of information that you can incorporate into your online store just to make sure that you will have a good impact or a good feedback from your customers. So another example here is custom questions, where you will be able to ask your customers on how they feel about the product, but we can add this questions once we have upgraded to a growth plan here on Loox. Another thing here is display reviews. This is more like how the reviews would look like into your shop. So you can set on what the format is. You can set or choose on what informations you want to incorporate into the online store or your shop. You can also click directly on the review tab here, and then you can just click on display reviews. You have the option here to do a pop-up widget or review sidebar widget, floating product reviews widget. So depending on what type of style you'd like to incorporate into your shop, you can definitely do it here. So here you can manage the reviews, where you can only show the reviews that are, let's say, all approved, or all the products that you have without any filtering. And then you can set the time as well on when, or you can set the rating as well on what type of rating. So you can say 4 and up ratings, or just purely 5-star ratings will be viewed onto your shop. So here, once everything has been set up, once you have submitted or sent their review emails to your customers, they will be able to, or you will be able to view the updates or the responses here on your Loox dashboard. And that's basically how you will be able to use Loox for your Shopify online store. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.